Hey guys, so right now I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from a DeWalt impact driver or screwdriver. So basically, this is an older one, but I still think a lot of them are the same. This is a 18 volt, and it's not the new lithium ion ones, which are a little bit more smaller and sleeker, but the old school one. So still works great. Just you want to add a battery, just simply go like that. Should lock in place like that. Just give it a little tap, and to remove it, it's got little buttons here on both sides of these. Just grab it like this, pinch, and kind of work your way out like that. All right, to put it in the charger, you're gonna see that's got this stem part. It's round on the flat on the back. You want the front of the bigger part of the battery facing that direction. So just gonna go in there, press it down, make sure your light comes on, and you are good to go. To remove your battery, simple as just pulling up on it. You don't have to release it with anything. These are not DeWalt batteries, so they're a little snugger, but I got like 6 for the price of 1 battery on Amazon, so I went with that. The DeWalt batteries are just pop them out real easy. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.